Birds teach us to fly without wings. A bird's song brings peace to the soul. The sky is a bird's home. Every bird is free in its heart. They remind us to rise above. Wings are made for dreams. Even the smallest bird has a big voice. Birds see no borders. A bird's nest is a home of love. The sunrise belongs to the birds. A bird's flight in its pure freedom. They never fear the height. The sky is always open for birds. They trust the wind. A bird's feathers are its color of life. Even the night belongs to birds. They teach us to live in the moment. No cage can hold a free spirit. Every wing tells a story. They sing because they can. Freedom looks like a bird in flight. A bird trusts in its wings, not the branch. Happiness is watching birds fly. They remind us to look up. Every bird has a purpose. A bird's melody heals the heart. Flying high is a bird's dream. They are nature's music makers. In the flight of a bird lies true courage. They carry messages of hope. That the world is better with birds. Each bird has its own unique tune. They love the open sky. Wings are a gift of the wind. They show us the art of freedom. A bird's shadow is as free as its flight. They teach us to soar above fears. Listen to the wisdom of the birds. A bird's wings hold the secret of life. The air carries the dream of birds. They never stop reaching for the sky. The sky is never too far for a bird. They are travelers of the skies. The world is a canvas for birds. Even a small bird's dream of flying high. A bird's wings never rest for long. They find beauty in every corner of earth. A bird trusts its flight over the storm. Wings are nature's greatest gift. They inspire us to keep moving forward. The freedom of birds is a blessing to all. They don't need maps to find their way. A bird heart beats with freedom. To watch a bird is to see pure joy. They carry the spirit of the wind. Every sunrise greets the birds first. A bird sees beauty in the horizon. The sound of birds is the voice of nature. They fly because they trust the sky. The bird's song brings light to the dark days. They paint the sky with their flight. Each feather holds a story of wind. Birds remind us of endless possibilities. A bird in the sky is a sign of freedom. They never stop chasing the horizon. The world belongs to the birds too. Flying birds teach us to rise above the troubles. A bird's journey is guided by its heart. They are poets of the sky. The sky feels alive with birds. A bird's life is a tale of freedom. They show us the art of letting go. Wings are dreams strong real. A bird carries the spirit of freedom. The wind and birds are best friends. Every bird has a rhythm of its own. A bird nest is a symbol of love. To a bird, every sky is home. They whisper secret to the wind. Every bird rises after a fall. They are the heartbeats of nature. In the eye of birds, the sky is endless. A bird's joy is found in the journey. They never stop reaching for the star. The horizon belongs to the brave bird. They turn the ordinary sky into art. Even the storm birds keep flying. The spirit of birds is forever free. Every song bird spread hope. The sky feels alive because of birds. They are the nature's living poems. A bird's life is a flight of wonder. Every bird dreams of open skies. The earth sings with the sound of birds. Birds always find their way back home. The song of birds lifts the heaviest heart. Birds trust the sky, not the cage. A bird's flight inspires endless dreams. The wind carries the whispers of birds, a melody of the wind. A bird's nest is a quiet promise of life built one twig at a time. The silence of the forest is painted with the songs of its winged companions. The sky welcomes the birds like the heart welcomes serenity.